election schedule for a parliamentary political party which only secured general seats on the basis of independents joining it after the elections. Any other interpretation of independents joining it after the any other interpretation of the aforementioned section 104 and rules 92-93 would render such provisions in conflict with Article 51, 6D, D and E and 106, 3C of the Constitution.
Okay, I just want to interrupt for a second.
Yes.
You were asked just now whether any order has been passed in the petitions or the applications filed by the other parties with respect to the seats, reserved seats,
yes.
And you said no order has been passed.
No order has
but
been.
They were heard along
No.
with this.
Recalling the independents.
They have allowed their petitions. They have said that they are partially allowed. They have allowed it, so they have passed an order.
No. I'm saying they've not passed any order on the prayer that the independents joining the petitioners should be recalled. They've not passed any order. That was also a specific prayer.
तो उसके बाद ही उन्होंने पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टी डिक्लेयर किया ना नोटिफिकेशन में उनको
जी
एसआईसी को तो बाद में तो एलोकेट कर
जी उससे पहले भी डिक्लेयर किया था उसके बाद भी डिक्लेयर
ऑर्डर में ये नहीं है कि द इंडिपेंडेंट्स कैन नॉट ज्वाइन और कुड नॉट ज्वाइन एसआईसी
नहीं
ऐसा नहीं है ऑर्डर में उनकी प्रेयर हो सकती है बट देयर इज नो
ऑर्डर में नहीं जी बिल्कुल सही Number 3, whether any political party could be allocated reserved seats disproportionate to their representation based on the total number of general seats secured by them. Number 4, whether there is constitutional absence or silence about a situation in which there are leftover reserved seats which cannot be allocated to any party either because of disentitlement or disproportionality. If so, how can this be resolved? So these are the...
Can I just ask a few clarifications?
Ji.
In one, you mentioned parliamentary political party. In 2, you mentioned parliamentary political party.
Yes.
In 3, you mentioned political party. And in 4, you mentioned party. Is there a distinction between the 3 terms or not?
Sir, in Article 63A, a distinction is made between parliamentary party and political party. So, any political party can have a parliamentary political party, and a parliamentary political party would necessarily be a political party, but you could have a situation where because a political party does not contest the election, there is no parliamentary party of that.
Does the Constitution distinguish the 2 terms?
Yes, in one of the provisions, 63A, sir.
So I know why you use two terms differently.
Yes, because...
because is not. Let's read the Constitution. There is no because. Ji. Which provision is this?
63A.
It uses the term parliamentary party.
Ji.
It doesn't use the word parliamentary political party. So I just want, in a court of law, we have to be very precise. So please, should I delete the word political party?
आप कर दें, बिल्कुल.
No, you say it, I'll delete it.
जी, आप कर दें.
Okay.
This is
so
only
there is no term parliamentary political party in the Constitution.
Ji.
Okay, now we have parliamentary party and political party.
Ji.
And please refer to the 2 terms where they've been used in the Constitution.
63A.
This is parliamentary party.
Ji. Disqualification on ground of defection, etc. If a member of a parliamentary party...
What does this mean, parliamentary party, as opposed to a political party?
You can have a political party which has no seats in parliament, then they will not have a parliamentary party.
So you are a political party and not a parliamentary party.
I am both a political party and a parliamentary party.
Now you may have become one, but you were never that before, correct?
I cannot say about previous elections, but we did not...
After the elections, 8th of February, ko aap kya the?
At 8th of February, I was a political party. When the independents joined, I became a parliamentary party also.
So only when the independents joined, you became a parliamentary party?
Yes.
Okay. Now, who's your parliamentary head, which refers to an explanation? Who's your head?
Parliamentary party head.
Ji.
Don't ask. This should be a matter of law.
वो आपको बता देते।
नहीं बताना होगा ना अभी।
सर अभी बता देता हूँ। I'll just tell.
A lot will flow from that.
I don't think a lot will flow from that, but I'll tell your lordship that.
No, because tomorrow the PTI and your head, may be at odds.
Yes, but I don't think anything will flow from that in terms of the question before your lordship. It's not relevant, but I'll tell your lordship the answer.
You don't know the head of your own political party?
No, my lord, I don't have the name right now.
You're a petitioner.
No, sir, I don't have all the information at my fingertips, but I'll inform your lordship.
Parliamentary head assembly में कौन है वो पूछ
सर वो अभी
आपकी petition में लिखा है ना साहबजादा petitioner जो साहबजादा वो head of the
सर वो political party के head हैं जी not the parliamentary party।
इनका क्या कोई election होता है? parliamentary head का क्या procedure होता है? How do you determine in a political party who's a parliamentary head?
Sir, I think
party head, how do you do it?
I think there's an internal election.
Do you have to notify? Does it go to ECP?
Sir, I don't have that. The answer to
inform the speaker. What do you do?
You of course inform the speaker, sir. But I can look into those questions because they were not relevant to the issue before. That is why I didn't prepare on that, sir.
Don't tell us what's relevant.
No. I'm saying simply giving my explanation, sir. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि relevant नहीं होंगे. मेरा ये ख्याल था. That is why I didn't get this information.
अच्छा, political parties का तस्करा कहाँ है आइन में?
जी
पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज का तस्करा कहाँ है आइन में? ये तो आपने पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टीज का बताया हमें। दूसरा टर्म है पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज, उनका तस्करा कहाँ है आइन में?
सर आर्टिकल 17 में भी है और
63A में भी है।
63A में भी है पार्टी हेड।
पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टी लिखा हुआ है इसमें।
नहीं सर, आगे जाके पार्टी हेड है। अगर आप देखिएगा बी में पार्टी हेड का जिक्र है।
Political party head.
He may be declared in writing by the party head. इसी में 63A में ही है ये।
कौन है
पार्लियामेंट्री लीडर? हमने मुकर्रर किया, मैं पूछ
पार्टी एंड द पार्टी हेड दोनों लिखा हुआ है। एक्सप्लेनेशन दी है पार्टी हेड मींस,
उसका नोटिफिकेशन हमने भेज दिया।
फैसल साहब जी, एक्सप्लेनेशन में पार्टी हेड मींस एनी पर्सन बाय व्हाटएवर नेम कॉल्ड डिक्लेयर्ड एज सच बाय द पार्टी। जी ये इसी में 63A में है।
इसीलिए मैं कह रहा था इट्स द ओनली।
No, so from one I've deleted the word political.
जी
Let's frame the questions correctly. And two, I've also deleted the word political. Correct?
जी ठीक।
In 4, it says party. Should I add the word political? No. Should I add the word parliamentary?
So in 4?
Yes, you just say party. What shall I add before that?
Political add कर दें सर।
Political add करें। ठीक।
और नंबर 3 में ठीक है सर।
And is there any reason why some are capitalized and one some are non?
No, there's no reason, sir. जी।
Faisal Saab, is it possible that there is a parliamentary party
जी
without there being a political party?
I don't think so.
A political party essentially is a precondition for a parliamentary party.
Yes.
Any political party that is in the assembly will be a parliamentary party.
Yes.
What is the difference between the political party and parliamentary party?
Sir, you can have a political, अगर एक political party elections contest नहीं करती,
एक पार्टी ने contest की है, political party भी मौजूद है, उनकी parliamentary party भी है, तो दोनों अलग क्यों है?
सर क्योंकि मेरे ख्याल में अलग इसलिए
ख्याल की बात है, उसके भी 63 में आंसर
नहीं
कि जो भी डिसीजन होते हैं पार्लियामेंट के अंदर वो पार्लियामानी पार्टी खुद डिसाइड करती है। जो लाइन ऑफ एक्शन देना होता है पार्लियामानी पार्टी नहीं देती, पॉलिटिकल पार्टी नहीं देती
जी।
उसी बेशक उसी पार्टी से हो
जी, आप बिल्कुल।
द मेन डिफरेंस इज दैट द पार्लियामानी पार्टी decides whatever they decide, and if any candidate violates that decision, go against that decision, he will be defected under section article 63. Once he is defects, then the party head वहाँ पे पार्टी हेड आ जाता है, कैन मूव रेफरेंस अगेंस्ट, और वो रेफरेंस फिर स्पीकर और वहाँ से होते होते ये वो सारा दोनों का डिफरेंस है। यानी अगर पार्टी हेड कह दे कि आपने फ्लॉ को वोट देना है प्राइम मिनिस्टर के उसमें, द पार्लियामानी पार्टी इज नॉट बाउंड। वो मान तो सकते हैं लेकिन पाबंद नहीं है कि माने। ये शायद जो मैं समझाऊँ
नहीं, आप बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं। और 63A में ही ये डिस्टिंक्शन है। यू विल नॉट फाइंड द वर्ड पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टी एनीवेयर एल्स इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एज फार एज आई।
दिस इज द डिफरेंस।
यस,
चलो आगे चलें।
यस। So these are the questions. Sir, आपने specifically पूछा था number 2 के हवाले से.
ये आपने लिखा है file the nomination papers and the list of candidates.
Yes.
Can you keep referring which pages we'll find this on?
अगर
2 में ये nomination
अगर
papers.
number 1 मैं क्योंकि
ये बताइए कि जो the provision that we are considering 51
जी
उसमें क्या, what does that refer to?
Political party है सर.
Political
जी
जी क्यों है political party? इसमें parliamentary party क्यों नहीं है?
जी
क्यों? Reason is इस वक्त तक parliamentary party has not yet come into existence.
Yes.
And the reason for that is इस वक्त तक members ने oath नहीं लिया. Members oath लेंगे तो parliamentary party will come into existence.
जी.
So I think we need to focus on political party. Parliamentary party in the context that we are looking at, with very great respect to your formulations, seems to me prima facie to be irrelevant.
Yes.
That lies in the future.
Yes.
एक दफा seats proportional representation पे allocate होंगी, reserve seats से ख़वातीन और non-Muslim जो हैं वो आएंगे, वो block बनेगा. President Saab will call the session of Parliament, National Assembly or Provincial Assembly, as the case may be. Members oath लेंगे, फिर वो जो सारे हैं, at that instant they will spring into life as respective parliamentary parties. So we have to look at not parliamentary party. Maybe under 63A you have some other point, I don't know, I have not fully followed that argument. But the focus of our discussion is political party, and there's a reason, because the language of the clause with which we are interested says political party, and there's a reason, as I've just explained. So zara us taraf focus kijiye. Don't go off into, with all due respect, don't mind my saying it, into these tangents of parliamentary party and this that. Your questions have to relate to political party, which is why I asked you yesterday, for purposes of this, what is the meaning of political party in this specific context? ये बात
इसमें मैं ऐड कर दूं, political party जो 51B में